Hi guys! So today I'm going to do a plan with me. Not sure if I'm going to talk through it yet, I'll just see how things go. I'm just going to start off by showing you last week because I didn't film this. This one is a printable which I bought a long time ago, but with the printables off Etsy you can just carry on printing them out as much as you want and just reuse them, and so that's what I did. So I just wanted to show you last week's kit because yeah, the weather was extraordinarily cold, so that's why I chose that one. So today we are planning from the 5th to the 11th of March. This is the kit I'm using today. It's one of Vanessa's, so you can get, there is the Etsy info. Obviously I will leave her info in the description box. So the kit I'm using today is called Celestial and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is on glossy paper, so there are the full boxes. Then you have some of these. I mean, look at them, they've even got like dots on them, like gold dots. They're so pretty. These are your today's to-dos and little things, your weekly things, half boxes, quarter boxes, habit trackers, build use. There's the bottom washi, look at that. That is so pretty. Just some date covers and some more little things down here you can use. And this is beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to have to leave a space for that because that is so pretty. But look at this deco, guys. And then you've got some icons down there and your flags and the weekend banner. So as always, I'm just going to go through, put the date covers on the bottom washi and decide where I'm putting my full boxes, and then I'll be back. Okay, because I've got this kit, what I'm thinking of doing is a planning style that I've only ever done once since I've had this Erin Condren. So I'm going to put the main box, the picture boxes there, the to-do list up here, and then down here is my little things and what happened during the day, because really this week hasn't been a lot going on. So to make use of the whole kit, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Okay, so that's that part done. It's not very often I do a no white space. At the top is still going to be a white space, but at the bottom it's not. So now I'm going to go into the day-to-day plans. Let me just lift you up a little bit and zoom you back in. So first I'm going to put my littles down. So I have got a list of TV programs and I'm going to keep an eye on what I eat. This again I'm going to colour block as far as the colours are, obviously. That's why it's called colour block neck. so they are all of the little things put down. So I'm just going to do the sidebar because then that is all of the main things put down. So for this I need dinners, and next week, definitely next week. I think I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use this other checklist to put for next week. Okay, so that is the sidebar done. Cool. Oh, I did put date dots on there. Where have they gone? And ages ago I got these date dots here from Your World of Colour off Etsy. I forgot I got them. I thought, well, there's purple in it. I know they're matte, but it doesn't really matter. So I just put them on anyway. Right, let's try and fill this little bit of space in. Okay, so on this sheet from Vanessa as well, I've got an E there for Etsy. So on this parcel thing here, I am going to put that down. Because I bought two kits off Etsy, which I will show you, hopefully if I remember before this video ends. Gaz rode 27 miles on Monday. So this one is from Oodle Madoodles. And I think I will use that coloured one. These little mini stickers are so good if you haven't got like loads of room. So I'm going to use one of these. I'm not necessarily going to colour block because I don't think there's enough colours for that, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to put that icon there and just write in there how many miles he did. And the only other thing I really did was laundry. These little laundry baskets are from Happy Cutie Studios, and I haven't used many of these, so I'm just going to use one of them. I know this is like a matte colour, but it doesn't matter. And then for this one, I think I'm going to use one of these beautiful quarter boxes. Just leave a little bit of room in between. Put that down there. And put my little basket in the middle, like that. Okay, on to Tuesday. My brother had a job interview, so I am going, I don't even know what icon I can use for that. I might just put a heart. So for this one I'm going to use a half box, and I'm going to use one of these hearts, and I think these are off Vanessa as well, I'm pretty sure they are. So I'm going to put this up, further up on the box. I know I don't really like doing this, but there is other things that I want to mark for this day. So I'm just going to put that heart there. So the next thing is, me and Gaz spent a lot of time with Harley on Tuesday, and it was friggin' lovely. I absolutely loved it. Yeah, these Vanessa's hearts. I have to cut them up because I can't fit them in the thing where I fit all my stickers and else. So these stickers of what Harley looks like are from Happy Cutie Studios again. So I'm going to take a big boy, so cute, and I'm going to put that on a, let's do another quarter box. And then the only other thing we did was shopping, so I'm going to mark that down as well because it was like the weekly shop, so I'll put that there. These are from the lipstick planner. So this is what I keep all my stickers in. It's just like, it's really cheap. This was from Wilkinson's, and you know, it's just like that. So as you can see, it's not that tall. I got like these off Etsy, but I don't know whether anything, I think the only one that would go I've already used. I could use that one. That's like marble, which would go with like that colour. So yeah, I'm going to use this one, just like every now and again, just to break up pieces of days or whatever. Doesn't really matter if it's matte. So on to Wednesday. Gaz did another 30 miles. So for this one, let's do purple one. I've got two other things I've got to put at the bottom. So for this one, I'm just going to put it at the top. Right, and they did 30 miles. Now down here, I filmed and edited my nails. I put one of these and I'm going to put that one down. And then on that, I'm going to put nail video. And then I've got these film edit upload stickers from Ickle & Co. And I am desperately running out of these. I'm going to get some more on Mother's Day. She said that she's going to have a sale. So I like to put things on the side. So I'm going to put the film that way. See, I've got plenty of uploads. I'm just running out the rest. And edit that way. Okay, so for Thursday, if you can hear a noise in the background, please ignore it. It's Gaz doing his turbo thing. It's quite loud, as you can hear. Anyway, Thursday, two things happened. Ashley went on holiday. He went on a stag do to Benidorm. There was 13 of them going all together, and he's still there now as I'm doing this, because I'm doing this on Friday and he doesn't come back until Sunday morning. So yes, you can probably imagine what state all 13 of the lads are like. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to put this heart that goes into the blue. I'm going to just layer that on there just to put Ashley's holiday on there. And the other thing that happened to me, which deserves a full box, is I went on a speed awareness course. Now, I don't want to say it was boring, but it was boring. Oh my god, I had to sit there for 4 hours, guys. 4 hours. And I'm not saying they like treat you like children. Well, I don't know. So that's definitely not getting a heart. By no means. I'm going to put like one of these asterisks down. No. Yeah, you can't really, you're not really allowed to talk about it, so I won't. But let's just say that there were some people who were very up the teachers' arses. Yeah, let's just put it that way. I've got no icon that could make anybody understand what day I had yesterday. That is enough to make me not want to speed again, because you know you can't go within 3 years of doing it, but yeah, that is enough to make me not want to speed ever. So on to Friday, I'm going to put another full box down there because I did my friend's nails. It's just so lovely just to spend a bit of time with her, because I don't really get to see her very often because she works so hard. She works in a nursing home, and yeah, I don't really get to spend that much time with her, to be quite honest with you, so it's nice when I do. So I'm just going to put that there, and then I did get an icon out for that, and I got these nail polish bottles. These are from Stardust Homemade Crafts on Etsy. The other things that we need to do today, well, I did some washing, so I'm just going to pop that up here. So I'm going to use these again from Busy Bee stickers. So we need to go Andy's, and I think we're going to go to Talk. So I'm just going to put an asterisk there and an asterisk there, just in case we go them two places, because it's not set in stone yet. Okay, so Saturday, the only thing I know what we're doing is going to see Gazzy's kids. So again, that's a half box. And apart from that, I really don't know what is going on today for the rest of the day. I know we've got to put petrol in, so let me just stick another one of these down. Okay, so I've got these little cars by Ickle & Co. So I'm going to put that at the top of here to say that we're going on a car ride. So I'm just going to centre that and put that in the middle there. We do need petrol. I'm not quite sure what that is there. That could be petrol, but I don't know whether it is or not. So what I'm going to do is just get this car icon there, and then just put that at the top here to signify that we need petrol. That is about it for Saturday. Sunday is Mother's Day, so I am going to write that down. And also Ashley is back off his holiday, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom. If anything else crops up on Sunday, then I can put it in. And if nothing else crops up, then I'll just put some more washi down at the bottom. So I'm just going to fill what I can in there, and then I'll be back. Okay, so that is the week all that I know. The only day missing is like Sunday. So now I'm going to put some of this deco on. It's just so pretty. So with this big bird here, I am going to put it on Sunday. Okay guys, so that's it for this week's plan with me. All the deco is done. I'll just cut it off when I have finished the video. This kit of Vanessa's is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. This isn't my style of planning. I do like the white space planning, but I really didn't have that much going on this week because the weather's been so bad, so I've been stuck in. So yeah, that's why I wanted to make the most of this kit by putting everything down and using most of the kit. Oh, talking about the kit, let's have a look how much is left. So there's obviously nothing on the full boxes. There's quite a bit of stuff there, to be honest, which I can use again. Some icons, nothing left for the full boxes. Literally a little bit of washi in that left. All the icons on there, some, oh I forgot to put the weekend banner down. I'm not going to put this week's weekend banner down because I really like the bottom washi, so I'm not going to bother. And all the deco is gone. So I'll leave the link to Vanessa's Etsy and YouTube page in the description box, guys. Go check Vanessa out, go and sub to it and give her a bit of love. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this week, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye guys.